So welcome again. It's Tuesday. Almost you're close for the final submission. Not already have done the interim submission, most of you. So how is it going? Reviewing the interim submission and the final submission. How are you feeling for the final submission? Are you stressed? Not a move. Challenge which part of the challenge are you able to cover by now? So let's share your opinion. Your notes and whatever your suggestion is. And maybe like you're in a good mood soon, you can share us. So who want to go first? So since it's a stand-up, we expect most of the people, almost all of the people, to say something about their accomplishment, challenge and things. So ዝም ማለት አትችሉ። ሶ ምንም አይነት የተሰማችሁ ነገር ካለ ቻሌንጅም ከሆነ ጥሩ ነገርም ከሆነ አሪፍ ነገርም እየሰራችሁ ከሆነ if it is easy or if it is difficult, whatever you're feeling, since it's a stand up, we expect you to talk now. We expect you to share your opinions on the challenge and on the week. So let's start with people who want to start first. ያለበዛ ኮል ያደረግን randomly ሁላችንም ማውራት እንችላለን. So who want to go first? So let me check the challenge meanwhile. So actually tasks 3 ላይ basically based on the challenge tasks 3 ላይ ወይ ደግሞ streamlit ሰርታችኋል ብለን ኤክስፔክት እናደርጋለን based on the challenge ማለት ነው. I mean the bonus part actually if you have finished the rest of them. ግን ከዛ ውጪ ሴታፓችን ጨርሰን ክሊኒንግ እና ኢዲ and then cross country comparison ነው አይደለም ዋናው ሶስት ቻሌንጆቻችን. So from those tasks የትኛውን አኮምፕሊሽ ማድረግ ይችላችኋል? የትኛው ፓርት ከባድ ነው? የትኛው ይቀራችኋል? like what is the reflection? People are still joining. So Eyob Umaru. Eyob Umaru, can you hear me? Am I audible? Thank you. So Eyob, can you hear my voice? So those of you who can't speak, መጻፍ ትችላላችሁ። እሺ ያላችሁበት ቦታ ማይመች ከሆነ you can just write it here. Meanwhile like ማውራት የምትችሉ ሰዎች just share your reflection and ዝም አትበሉ. So your voice Naud Merkia. Can you hear my voice? Are you there?
Yes, I can hear your voice.
Okay. So now, can you share us your progress or anything that you daily stand up? Can you share your daily stand up?
Okay, sure. So currently I'm working on the country combined kind of somehow. Previously on my interim GitHub and report submission, I was somehow missed that modularization because I think I was so focused on the EDA part, which is good, but I somehow should manage my time for try for modularizing my code, and on my report, I somehow miss basic concepts on the report orientation, so I have to work on that. So I think as general suggestion, my suggestion would be about if it is more clear about how we structure our code or how we structure our report, this will be easier for us, because there was lots of confusion if you check the Slack. And so if you give us that, it will be easier for us. Thank you.
Okay, now thank you very much for sharing your opinion. So ትናንትም ይሄ question raise ተደርጎ ነበር, if you give us a format or template to be followed for the submissions and for the GitHub, for both the report and the GitHub submission. So for the GitHub submission, actually the Git session actually and the first challenge movement ስለሆነ እሱ ላይ basic repo structure expect የምናደርገው mention ተደርጓል. So I don't feel like there is a question or a confusion about the GitHub submission link. Based on the report demo, we were saying, I guess ለህመትም share አድርጋለች channel ላይ. So we were saying assume normally basic የሚባል format ሁሉ ጊዜ follow እናደርጉት, like we will expect you to have to write the business understanding, objective, challenge, limitation. So those basic formats አሉ ከሩብሪክሱ ማየት እንደምትችሉት ማለት ነው። ከዛ ውጪ ግን specifically ለየቻሌንጁ የተለያየ ነገር ኤክስፔክት ልናደርግ እንችላለን። from one challenge expect የምናደርገው እና from the other it might not be the same ለዛ so there should be አንዳንድ ነገሮች that you will add by yourself for every single challenge or for every single week ማለት ነው። So I'm not sure I was saying that. So like ትናንትና የተመለሰው you need to have basic understanding, the common understanding በሚለው እና group ላይ channel ላይ share በተደረገው ነበረ. So still I would ask if we have እንደዚህ የተዘጋጀ format, if it is በጣም concerning የሆነ issue then we can share that. ግን not maybe like since you have raised the question, after seeing the rubrics and somehow the expectation while grading, ትንሽ አልተመለሰልህም ወይ ይሄ መልስ or you still expect እንደዚህ አይነት template or format ቢኖር አሪፍ ነው ብለህ ታስባለህ? So if it is like a question that you've raised before the current submission ወይ ደግሞ grading, rubricsን ከማየታችሁ በፊት ከሆነ so it might be solved ብዬ ነው። ካልሆነ ግን still እናስብበት ብዬ ነው።
Still it's not clear, especially interim report submission ላይ ኮሜንቱም clear አይደለም I think, and for GitHub committee and branch I think that the AI is not right because most of us commit and merge ምናምን በስተክል ግን I don't think if it is giving us the right intent because I have seen ብዙ ሪፖርቶችን ምናምን አብረና I have seen them and there was a lot good እንትኖች ግን the everyone gets that ከhalf በታች ነው on GitHub commits ምናምን branching ላይ ተሰጠን ግን we just made everything on the rubric እና I don't think if it is right the እንትኑ ማለት comment እና etc.
So look at it because it might be a serious issue like GitHub the rubrics part for the GitHub evaluation where the Git version control evaluation it is I have noticed so we're trying to verify every grades now. We're trying to go through them. Maybe in case coming to by Shasha አብዛኞቹ at least grade-አቸውን እናሻሽላለን. So probably ኮሜንቱንም አብረን ኤዲት እናደርገዋለን ግን in case if we jump the comment part እኔ ምንድነው ኖቲስ እያደረኩ ያለሁት it's just አብዛኛው ሰው at least like branch ምናምን create አድርጓል እና ከምን አንፃር ነው ያየችው code implementation አብዛኞቻችሁ for the entry submission የለውም እና that part somehow commit ከሌለው plus like branch create ማድረጋችሁ ብቻ ሳይሆን create አድርጋችሁ significant commit ከሌለው which means የሆነ አይነት like starting the project የሆነ አይነት evidence ከሌላችሁ in terms of coding ማለት ነው ኮድ ያደረጋችሁት ነገር ከሌላ jump ታደርገዋለች or create እንዳልተደረገ consider ታደርገዋለች. So that might be the issue somehow እዚህ ዊክ ላይ ተነሳ እንትን ያለ confusion ነው ብዬ አስባለሁ. So አብዛኞቻችሁን ቼክ እያደረግን ነው notice that issue for the template for the grading part ማለት ነው ግን still for the template እንደዚህ ፎርማት ተከተሉ የሚለው ነገር still issue ከሆነ we can give the format. Thank you Nod. So still ደግሞ regrade ተደርጎ verify ተደርጎ ጥያቄ የሚኖራችሁ ከሆነ try to reach us on Slack. So አንዳንድ ልጆች Slack ላይ ያናገሩ ነው. So still verification በኋላ if you have a doubt then you can ask us እኛ ዲቴል የሆነ reason እና መታየትም ካለበት ድጋሚ እናያለን። So don't forget to do that. Thank you Naud. Thank you very, very much for sharing your stand-up.
Thank you.
So anyone who want to go next? Kaza, there is in the comment section. I still don't know how to get to the rubric that everyone is talking about. The rubrics is like challenge grade የተደረገው ኢንፎርሜሽን ናችሁ ላይ ግሬድ የተደረገበት ሜትሪክሶች ማለት ነው። ሶ ተካናባቸው ከምን አንፃር ግሬድ እንደተደረገ ሰሚሽኖቻችሁ ያሳያል። So that is what we are saying. It's available for you all. Samuel, I've started working yesterday. Task 1 completed yesterday and made late submission. Today working on EDA and writing the report alongside. Hope to complete the tasks 3 by tomorrow. Samuel, yeah, you can. Probably you will be able to finish that Kanaga. Get like something to not forget. Submit እስከደረሳችሁበት ድረስ ያለውን ሰሚት ማድረግ አለባችሁ። ኦኬ don't forget to submit ሁሉ ጊዜ ባጨርሱም ትንሽ ፓርት ብትሰሩ ምንም ፓርት ብትሰሩ it would be improved በሚል እንትን ሰሚት ማድረጋችሁን እንዳትረሱ። Thank you Samuel for sharing. Mawal, salam everyone. Update from my side. I finished technical assignment as improving the book. Wow. Where I deployed Streamlit up to the cloud. Now I'm just working to the final documentation. Very nice, Mawad. Yeah, this is a very good progress. Then, yeah, he will finish the final documentation, but hopefully. Jonathan, hello, Jonathan. How are you doing? Hey, Jonathan is coming. I hope like there's another thing Jonathan is supposed to. Let's see who wanna go next. ማይካችሁን ከፍታችሁ ብታወሩ ደስ ይላል። ወራሽ can you speak? ወራሽ can እሰማለሁ? Okay, ወራሽ if you can speak Warash, I would like to hear your stand-up. If not, you can write on the comment section. Meanwhile, Mike currently working on cross-country comparison. Okay, Warash is needed, yeah. Hopefully finish the documentation and move on the technical document. Okay, thank you, Mike, for sharing us. Yeah, probably you would be able to finish the other parts. So አሁን like ስለ Streamlit ስለ ዲፕሎይመንት ምናምን ስናወራ it's like በደንብ understood that exactly ላይ ያደረሳችሁ just ትኖራላችሁ. It's fine. I mean እንትን እንዳትሉ don't stress out, okay? So it is okay የትኛውም ሌቭል ላይ ብትሆኑ ማለት ነው። እዚህ ጋር አሪፍ ኮምፓሪዥን ላይ የደረሱ እስካሁን like end of the tasks ላይ የደረስን ልጆች እንዳለን ሁላ ያልደረስን ልጆች አለን and it's fine. Just reach out አድርጉ to us. Slack ላይ እየጻፍንላችሁ ነው. For some of you try to reach out እና if there is የመጀመሪያው ፓርት ራሱ ምንድነው ከመጀመሪያው overwhelmed ከሆናችሁ እና የመጀመሪያው ፓርት ማለፍ ካልቻላችሁ like ተስፋ እንዳትቆርጡ. Let's just solve the first part together እና you can continue ማለት ነው. So reach out to us እና like stressed እንዳትሆኑ. ጌታዬ I'm working on tasks during the documentation, but I'm having some issue with the country comparison. Also, I need better clarification on the non-technical time management. So, non-technical submission, challenge document to share ተደርጓል. Emilian ነው የሚመራው. Like sessions ምናምን like probably ኖሯቸዋል ከዚህ በፊት. So, like so, yeah, based on that, like final submission for the technical እንዳለ ሁላ and then technical final submission expecting እናደርጋለን. So about the country comparison, what is the issue? So technical issue ነው. I mean while coding ምናምን ይላል debugging part ነው ወይስ conceptually you miss the point ምናቸውን ነው compare ማድረግ ምናምን. So if that is the case, video ምናምን ከሰራክ for every 3 countries, then which one and then like main probably challenge documenታችሁ ላይም ይኖራል ግን from ከምን አይነት ተርሞች ናቸው compare ማረገው. So for you need to understand the business understanding. So for what comparison for what goal I'm doing this analysis, ምናምን የሚለውን ከተረዳ በኋላ ሶ ለዛ አናሊሲስ የሚጠቅሙ ጎሎችን ሴሌክት አድርገን then you need to make the comparison based on those you can consider them as a KPI. So which part is not clear? ጌታዬ yes. Hello there. I'm also doing my task accordingly. Today I'm working on tasks 3 and hope I will finish today on time. Yam, thank you for sharing. So yeah, you were able to finish that. Thank you. So I'm also working on a cross-country comparison. I will finish the documentation and technical submission. Okay, very nice. So yeah, you will able to finish those times that left to Canada. So meanwhile, Faber, you can continue.
Okay, thank you. Yani ጥያቄ or as a comment, like for the interim report, we can be ኖሮ ጥሩ ነበረ, you know, as a format or something you could give us as an example ማለት ነው. So now final report ላይ ስለሆነ I don't know, it would be good if we could have that.
Okay, so specifically for the interim submissions, no, it's demo for every submission that the
interim submission
for the reports, no, it's for the GitHub link.
For the report ላይ something we could see, you know, example ሊሆን ይችላል or a format general የሆነ ነገር ነው ያስቀምጣችሁልን.
Yeah, okay, for the interim and for both the interim and the final submission.
For the final.
Even since this question is raised to Sawach, probably we will share that type of template. Thank you for your comment, Fabian. Again, how are you doing? Share us your stand-up community since you started this week. Let's hear that also.
So ጥሩ ነበረ እስካሁን የነበረው. The interim was good and for the last task, for the final one, I haven't been actually working on it, but I'll start working on it. Yeah.
Then, thank you for sharing. Good luck. Dagam, you can continue. Dagam Masfin, you can speak up.
Okay, can you hear me now?
Yes.
Okay, like as a stand-up, it is very good at what we have done so far, like the interim submission. It was good, like I was able to finish up the task 3 and I started working on the dashboard. But I have a question on that as well.
Okay.
Okay, my question is for the dashboard, like what are the main things that we should include? Like, should we include the things that we have done on the notebook on its entirety in order to display that at the dashboard, or do we need to select the things that are much more feasible for the KPI?
Okay, so Dagam, so there ሁለት ነገር አለ. So expects የምናደርገው እኛ from the idea of on Streamlit and implement ስታደርጉ, the first one is like technically the idea of using Streamlit, technically Streamlit and implement ማድረግ, integrate ማድረግ, understanding how to work with Streamlit የሚለው ፈት ነው. So ከሱ ውጪ የምንማረው from the beginning, from the business understanding ጭምር ስለሆነ እንዴት ነው ሰው ካያችሁ ሪፖርታችሁን ላይ ቢዝነስ አንደርስታንዲንጋችሁን ኢንክሉድ ማድረግ አለባችሁ ምናምን። ሶ ፕሮባብሊ አሁን ቴምፕሌት ሼር እናደርገዋለን እና መጀመሪያ ቼክ የምናደርገው at the first part of your submission you need to include your business understanding, ምን እየሰራን ነው፣ ለምንድን ነው የምንሰራው፣ your KPIs and things like that. So the second part Streamlit ስትሰሩ ማየት የምንፈልገው or any type of dashboard እና any type of plot ሳይሆን የሚታይ ዳሽቦርድ ኢንተራክቲቭ ዳሽቦርዶችን ዲስፕሌይ ስታደርጉ የምንፈልገው። ሶ ዩ አር ኮሚኒኬቲንግ ዊዝ ዘ ፒፕል ይህንን ስራ ኦር ዊዝ ዩር ክላይንትስ ኦር ዊዝ ፒፕል ሁ ማይት ናት ቢ ቴክኒካሊ ጉድ። ሶ ምንድን ነው መግለጽ የምፈልገው ቤዝድ ኦን ማይ አናሊሲስ እና ቤዝድ ኦን ቴክኒካል ጆብስ ታዲያ አብደን ምንድን ነው መግለጽ የምፈልገው የሚለውን ፓርት ስለሆነ I would prefer like plot ምናምን every plot እና every cleaning step እና every EDA ላይ exploration አለ አይደለ? every exploration you then include ብታደርጉት it is going to be በጣም massive እና ምንም communicate አያደርግም for the people that you're presenting your job። ለእኛ ሊያደርግ ይችላል so we can check that from your notebook ግን present ስታደርጉ ያን ያህል communicate ስለማያደርግ so I would recommend you to include the important parts ወይ ደግሞ KPI actually ያሳይልኛል and the indecision should be based on this analysis or observation የምትሉትን part select አድርጋችሁ ስክሪናችሁ ላይ እንድታሳዩ ሪከመንድ አደርጋችኋለሁ። So this way we can do both the tasks. So we have implemented Streamlit or a dashboard that can display our work, and the second one is like we have included Arif pointers that would be a very good point to communicate with our clients. So yeah, that would be my answer, Doug.
Okay. Meanwhile can Emilian, you can go.
Yeah, sorry for interruption. There's someone who asked about an issue on non-technical challenge. I think it's detail. So if you can clarify where you're having an issue with non-technical challenge, the time management. So I'll be here to help you out. But in just a nutshell, in just few, the careers challenge is found on 10x. The document is found on 10x. And you just have to answer the questions in only 3 pages. And you can also find the slide on all resources, but also the video is also found on YouTube. So there's all guidance. If you have any other maybe problem or where you're stuck, you can let us know this anytime on Slack or here. Thank you.
Thank you, Emilian, for sharing. So if it is Nathaniel, then if you have any question, Nathaniel, you can about the non-technical submission. Not only Nathaniel, if everyone have a question about the non-technical submission, then Emilian is here, so you can ask. And until that, Abil Zalaka, can we use Streamlit for full stack application? Yes. If you're in a full stack application would be if using just the dashboard, and if it is just requiring a dashboard that will have some analysis about a data, if that is what it is required from your front-end side, not as an application, but you can use it for just for displaying your work. Okay, so for an application wise or for including it as a website or for another type of page, Streamlit is specifically made or it is implemented for Python data analysis works. So I would recommend you to use it for applications or for works that are related with data analysis and that you need to show your data through then you need to show them through Streamlit. For another work, I guess for me I would recommend another type of tools, but for works that would just need your front ends to be just a visualization of a data and recommendation and exploration, then you can go for it, Abid. I guess you gave me a point, Abid. Okay. Gideon, hello everyone. I'm finishing from my side. I'm a bit stuck in the Streamlit part. Other than that, everything is good. Okay, great, Gideon. So on the morning session, on the morning Q&A session, the people were having an overview, or like they were seeing how to, they were raising questions on Streamlit and Rahmat was there, so they were communicating about that. I guess maybe you can see that video, so it will be uploaded, so you can see the Q&A session of today. The Q&A session of it is Tuesday, right? Tuesday's Q&A session would be helpful. As a note for submission check, the requirements under the rubric it tells what is needed. The requirements and exactly. I mean, yeah, wise na rubrics session actually final submission actually for both for the GitHub and for the report will require them direct cheguna based on that arc. Okay, since that will be different for every, that might be different for every challenge. Organization copy ያረጋችሁ follow ብታረጉ ጥሩ ነው. That is what I've tried to mention earlier. ከሩብሪክሳችሁ ተነስታችሁ ቴምፕሌት በራሳችሁ make ብታረጉ it would be effective. Okay. Lidet, I completed my Streamlit app locally, but when deployed on the cloud, it fails to load the .csv file. Would you please help? I guess Lidet, maybe you need to check your autumn session, or maybe Ramat Salona session is that true, or I would invite Ramat here. And we can see it later. Okay. Yeah, I guess we can do that. So let's hold on that. Now let's go to view. Hi, dear team. Sorry for the inconvenience. I'm hearing everything you in both teams are raising, but the place where I am is not comfortable. Okay. To react, this morning I tried to attach my assignment, but it says no doc and also no comments. So which assignment? It's for the report. Is that for the report? And like, are you trying to send? Are you submitting the right type or the right format? So clarify that again. It's nice. Yeah, I guess clarify that again. So to the right format, we don't to the PDF format. It might be hard to submit to make the selection. Not failure about it, so don't forget to convert it to the right format. In your like last sitting on dollar. Dagmawi, my GitHub entry submission decreased out of nowhere. Can you tell me the reason? Dagmawi, have you tried to edit your submission? Edit argashu corner, like based on the new edit, the gaming grades can be directly out of nowhere. Any minimum submission shows at the key or the more there's a verification, verify again what grade of judgment. So check argue grade history now. Why the more I can also check that for you. Can edit correction way, wait a more verify way. So verify try to look for who verified your assignment. So based on that, you can contact the specific person who made your verification. Make this clear for us. You guys see like it was really nice. I understand. From the comments, just pick up. You can go. Dagmite, so unmute Argina, you can speak up.
Is someone? I like until number edit አላደረኩትም የጊታብ ሊንኩ ኤዲት አልተደረገም ነበር ግን like እንዴት ነው ከትላንት ወዲያ የነበረው ውጤትና ትላንትና ማታ ነገር ላይ ገብቼ ሳየው የነበረው ውጤት የተለያየ ነው
So can you make like some charges check argi grade history and now so verify argotal or comment አስቀምጧል so like human interaction allow verify ሲደረግ ተቀንሶ እንደሆነ so can you check that no so ምን አድርገናል ኢንትሪም ሰብሚሽናችን ግሬድ ከተደረገ በኋላ ቲቶሮች ግሬድ ሪግሬድ አድርገውታል so verify አድርገውታል ማለት ነው verify ሲያደርጉ ቀንሰውት ከሆነ check that like specific person እንትን ካረገው
ኦኬ ያሳየኛል እዛ ጋር verify ያደረገው ሰው ማን እንደሆነ
you can check እንትን grading history ምትን መቀየር ተጻፈቻለች so file edit እንዳለ ሁላ grading page ላይ or submission page ላይ grade history ምትላለች እሷ ላይ check አድርጉ grader on it or if it is another person and then you can contact the specific person regrade ያደረገው ማግኘት ካልቻልሽ ዴይ ማርግልኝና I can do that for you
ያገኘሁት ስላልሆነ ዘንተን ይሻል
Yeah. I also have the question below Nathan and Mahmoudi. So if that is the same question with Dagmawit, then yeah, the same answer should be taken. መታሰቢያ, do I have to create dashboard screenshot folder to include the screenshot or shall I add the screenshots on readme? I would prefer if you can do both, ግን screenshot folders ከዚህ በኋላ አንዳንድ ስራዎች ላይ expect እናደርጋለን, so you can just create screenshot folder እና include your screenshots there. That would be so እሱን ማድረጋችሁ ከሪድሚ እንድታወጡት አያረጋችሁም, ግን that would be more helpful. readme ላይ ግን expressive የምትሉትን ፓርት ብቻ include አድርጉ, not every part. On the screenshot folder, you can just include every screenshots. መታሰቢያ ይሄ ነው. I get it from the previous meeting. It is going to place on the dashboard folder. On the dashboard, screenshot folder. Still screenshot option, yeah, screenshot me folder create አድርጉላት. Jonathan, I think it is optional. Yes, Mike, it's optional. You can screenshot የምታስገቡ ከሆነ yeah, do that. Take away from the meetings. So I think it will not be like why you just raise your hand. My Giravan dream submission decrease. Okay, yeah. Can I raise my current situation because I think you called me for reaction. You remember? Yes, exactly. Okay, yeah. Manjamara, I called your name. Yeah, thank you for sharing. And for the screenshot part, I guess you were communicating here on presentation, I guess. Okay, you know, and other person ብቻ ሲጀመር Streamlit is optional, right? So if you're including Streamlit, like the best practice inside a folder of screenshot, just include አድርጉት ለማለት ነው እንጂ Streamlit in the first place is optional. How could I get time management challenge inside 10x ላይ ማግኘት ይችላል career challenge ላይ. I think so the grading in my site says draft, but you say we verified the grade. ደስታ ጌታቸው, I mean grade አላረገችም from the beginning or no grade ካረገችው በኋላ ነው draft የሚለው. ደስታ, can you speak up? Desta, can you speak? Can you open your mic and speak?
Hello.
Yes, I can hear you, Desta.
ግሬድ ተደርጓል ግን የተሰጠውን ፖይንት እንትን አይደለም ፌር አይደለም በጣም እንትን ነው ፕላስ ቱ ዛት ድራፍት ነው የሚል ስቲል አንቺ ግን ቬሪፋይ ተደርጓል
ቬሪፋይ ተደርጓል አብዛኛው አሳይመንት yes ይሰማል Desta so አብዛኛው yeah if that is the case then አንድ ሰው ግሬድ ማድረግ ጀምሮ or ኢንተርኔት ተቋርጦበታል or ሴት ሳይደረግ ቀርቷል ማለት ነው that's why draft የሚለው. So if you can see history ላይ ማን ግሬድ እንዳደረገልን try to reach out for that specific person grade ያደረገልህን if not DM አድርግልኝና I can check that for you.
አያሳየኝም history ቅድም ኦኬ ተላክልሽ
ምንም history
አያሳየኝም
ኦኬ ዳግማይትም or ደስታ one of you ስክሪናችሁን ሼር አድርጉልኝና or I can do that.
Okay, ሼር ላድርግሽ
ሰብሚሽን ፖርታል ላይ ሆነ ማለት ነው
ይታያል
እሺ አዎ ግሬዳችሁ የት ጋር ነው የምታዩት?
እሺ እንትን ልበለው አንዴ አሁን ይታይሻል?
ይታያል ፔጁ ቅድም ይታያል ሶ ግሬድ ግን ይታይበት ቦታ እንዴት which is the assignment የሚለው ጋር ነው ያለ እኮ ያረዛል ሂድዛ
እሱን ሻላራራኩት እንደገና እንትን ልበለው
ሳይሆን እዚሁ ፔጅ ላይ ያለ አሳይመንት ጋር ሂድ ምንም ሪሼር አታርግ so already Meanwhile, should structure our GitHub repo after the comment by the grader. I feel like if your submission comment is valid on a comment ከሆነ የሰጠችው እና if you believed on that, like you can ሀሳቡም እሱ ነው based on the comments ስትራክቸራችሁን እንድታሳዩት or እንድታስተካክሉት ማድረግ ነው። So yeah, you should. ግን ካላመንክበት you can just name us. እሺ ደስታ ሼር አድርገን ነበር ዋራፕን።
እሺ
Is there going to be a presentation for the week O challenge or it is for the upcoming challenge? I believe it would be for the upcoming challenge.
ይታያል
ግን ማጥፋት አይጠበቅም። ዳርዝ yes ይታያል። So አንዱ ሰሚሽን ላይ ግባ እስኪ።
ለምሳሌ ይሄ ማለት ነው ይታይሻል ሼድ ያደረኩት ሄሎ
ግን ከሄሎ ይሰማኛል ሶ ፔጁ የቀየረ አይደለም ሜቢ ከኔ ነው ይታያቸዋል ሼር ያደረኩ ይታየኛል ግን ካን ዩ ክሊክ ኦን አንዱ ላይክ ሶላር ኢንትሪ ሰሚሽን ሪፖርት ላይ ወይ ጊታብ ሊንኩ ላይ ሴሌክት ክሊክ አድርግና ኢትስ ጎ ቱ ዘ አዘር ፓርት በቀይ የተጻፈው ላይ
እዚህ ጋር
አይ ሚን ኮሜንቶችን ምናምን
ለምሳሌ ሼድ ማድረግ አይታይም
ክሊክ ኦን ኢት ክሊክ አድርገው አንዴ ሶላር ወይ ኢንቴግሬት ከሚለውን አንዱን ሊንክ አንዴ ክሊክ አድርገውና እንየው ነው የምትልክ አንዴ ክሊክ ማለት ይችላል
አሳይመንቱን ነው የሚከፍተው
yes እሺ ሶ ትንሽ ስክሮል ማድረግ ትችላለህ rubrics report
በሌፍት በኩል እየታያችሁ ነው
እየታየን ነው ሶ ወደ ላይ ስክሮል አድርግ ግሬዲ ስትሪም ሚል አለ እንፈልግ
ወደ ላይ ኦኬ
I guess maybe from your side
በቀዳሚ ነው ይቅርታ እንደ ሌላ ልክፈት ይሄኛው
it's fine እዚህ ላይ ነው it's fine እዚህ ላይ ነው
እዚህ ጋር ለምሳሌ እዚህ ይታያል
okay so yeah so I'm sorry it's not from your side ሳይሆን from our side ነው ማየት የምንችለው ለዛ ዳግመን ቀደም ያልኩሽ አሁንም so just share us እናንተን ችግሮቻችሁን ስላክ ላይ ሼር አድርጉንና we can see your grade streak so the grade streak እናንተ ሳይድ የለም so draft እንደገባ ማየት አንችልም ለዛ ያ ዴም አድርጉልን ዴማስ ከዛኛ ቼክ እናደርጋለን ያደርግም supplies for you too እሺ I guess አዲሱ ቀድሞ አውጥቶ ነበር so presentationን ማቆም ትችላለህ ደስታ thank you አዲሱ you can go on አዲሱ can you hear me እሺ ይሄ ነው you can go አዲሱ I guess mute ነው ያራክ okay so if that is the case then ይሄ ነው you can go
okay አሁን ደስታ ካሳየን ላይ ማለት ነው just we need to መጠበቅ አለብን ሰዎቹን just የኔ ጋር የሚለው waiting approval ነው የሚለውና እስካሁን approval ተደረገ ማለት ነው just draft ላይ ነው ያለው እስካሁን so ቀደም ደግሞ ስቲ እንደነበረው ለብዙዎቻችሁ ግሬድ አድርገናል ፊሞፊኬሽን ተሰርቷል ማለት ያልሽ ነበርና
ያ ሪተርን ስላልተደረገላችሁ ነው የሚሆነው
ኦኬ so መጠበቅ ያለብን
just like የሁላችሁም ድራፍት ላይ ከሆነ for ከዚህም በኋላ ለሚኖረው so ሪተርን ስላልተደረገ ነው የሚሆነው so ግን የአብዛኛው ሰው ተመልሶ ያንዳንዶቻችሁ ካልተመለሰ or አንዳንዶቻችሁ ስቲል ድራፍት ላይ ከሆነ then you can እዛኔ የኔ ድራፍት ላይ ነው ብላችሁ ሬዝ አድርጉ ኩዌሽን። እሺ ቴንክ ዩ። ዘላለም you can go on.
እንትን ዳታ ጊቲኖር ላይ ኢግኖር ካር
ዘላለም ድምፅ ብሬክ ያደርጋል።
አይሰማም?
ይሰማል።
ዳታውን ኢግኖር ላይ ካስገባ ነው አፕሎድ ማድረግ አንችልም። ጊታቡ ላይ ዳሽቦርድ ደግሞ ያንን ዳታ እዛ ውስጥ ያደረግነውን ክሊን ያደረግነውን ዳታ ነው ሪፈር የሚያደርገው። ዲፕሎይ ስናደርገው አክሰስ ማድረግ አይችልም። እንዴት ነው?
So I guess ጥያቄ ሼር ማድረግ አትችልም ጊታብ ላይ the data, so ኢግኖር ታደርገዋለህ። So how am I going to do for Streamlit ነው?
ስትሪምሊቱ ሪፈር የሚያደርገው ዳታው ከጊታቡ ላይ ነው። የጊታብ ሊንክ ስለሆነ አልሰጡ ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ጊታቡ ፎልደሩ ላይ ዳታውን ካላገኘው ፋይል ኖት ፋውንድ ኤክሴፕሽን ስሩ ያደርጋል።
Yeah, okay. I have not tried that actually. ለህመትም የለችም ግን I would ask deploy ያደረጋችሁ ልጆች አላችሁ እዚህና like I thought you just have the data locally in Streamlit like an analysis ለመስራት you can just do locally analysis መስራት ትችላለህ። so የተቸገርከው ዲፕሎይመንት ላይ ነው right?
ሎካሊ ከሆነማ ችግር የለውም። ኢግኖር ብታስገቡ ዳታ ኦልሬዲ ሎካሊ ይችላል ችግር የለውም። ግን ያኛውን አሁን እኔ ዝም ብዬ ተካረኩት ማለት ዲፕሎይ ስላደረኩት ዲፕሎይ ላይ ኖት ፋውንድ ነው የሚለው ለምን ሊንኩን አያገኘውም? ዳታው ሎካል ስለሆነ አያገኘውም። ፑሽ ካላረግሽው አብረሽ ለዛ ፑሽ መደረግ አለበት ነው።
Okay, so Zalalam, I would so we would say if you need to like if you need to work that through the deployment, then you can push the data again. Deploy deploy ያደረጋችሁትን ሊንክ ብቻ ሳይሆን ሼር ማድረግ ሼር ማድረግ ትችላላችሁ። you can share the screenshot idea የተነሳው ለዛ ነው። so just screenshotአችሁን ሼር ማድረግ ትችላላችሁ። like Streamlit screenshot your exploration ምናምን ሼር ማድረግ ትችላላችሁ። so ግን if that is the case ወይ ደግሞ ዲፕሎይ ያደረጋችሁትን ሊንክን ኢንክሉድ ማድረግ ከፈለጋችሁ or ካለባችሁ then you need to push the data ለዛ የዛን ዴታችሁን ሼር push አድርጉት ጊታብ ላይ። ግን ከኛ ሳይድ it would be acceptable to share the screenshot acceptable።
ኦኬ እሺ። ስለዚህ ፑሽ ስላደረኩት ከረንትሊ ያለው
ፑሽ ታደርገው yes push ለማድረግ አንዳንዴ push ማድረግም እንቢ ሊላችሁ ይችላል so large file ከሆነ so if you have passed that step like አንደኛ file size ነው ሁለተኛ confidentiality ነው so if you just push it you can proceed። so ሌላ ሰው ካላነሳ is there going to be presentation? okay አሁን ጋር የለ ማድረግ my GitHub submission is created but the report one is not. It's completely zero while I submitted it. You can write on the comment section submission actually like submission page actually ከስር comment section አለ እሱ ላይ መላክ ትችላላችሁ or ደግሞ ቀደም እንዳልኩት ዲኤም አድርጉልን። completely zero like greater or goes ቼክ እናደርገዋለን ኦልሬዲ ቼክ ተደርጎ ሊሆን ይችላል so ሪተርን እናደርገዋለን so የሁላችሁንም አንድ ጊዜ ሁሉንም ሰሚሽን እና የሁሉ ቬሪፊኬሽን ይታይ ብለን ነው ከረንትሊ ሰሚት ያደረጉ ልጆች ስላሉ የሁላችሁም አንድ ላይ ሪተርን ይደረጋል ብለን ነው። I guess ማድረግ ከነበር does my final submission have now my submission need to be the same so the same ያው ሊሆን አይችልም አይገባም ግን the same repo ነው ግን ያው ፕሮግረስ የምታደርገው እዛው ሪፖ ላይ ስለሆነ we will see the change። ያው ሰሚሽን ሊንካችሁ ምናምን ሪፖ ምናምን አንድ አይነት ነው። ከሱ ውጪ ግን የምናገኘው ኤክስትሪም ላይ ቼክ ስናደርግ የምናገኘው ነው። ፋይናል ሰሚሽን ራሱ ላይ ቼክ ስናደርግ የምናገኘው አንድ አይሆንም። አዲስ ኃይሉ ማይ ማይክ እሺ So I was saying that the UI is needed, not the data. So I believe we can collaborate with the demo data embedded in memory. I guess for the Streamlit parts, you know, I'm not sure. Like, what is demo data? So ቅድም እንዳልኩት አንደኛው point the Streamlit and strat ነው። the technical part ነው። ሁለተኛው the how are you going to explore for your work የሚለው ነው። So maybe ይህን ማድረግ ከአንደኛው part ስለሚያሳይ actually Streamlit አሁን ቦነስ ስለሆነ you can just do whatever you want. So the demo data ከሆነ okay, I guess it might not be that a bad idea. እሺ ዘላለም try to upload your data to Kaggle. Okay, yeah. So ከካግል ከኪታብ ከምታደርገው from Kaggle Streamlit ላይ ለማሳየት ታመጣላችሁ ነው። So that is also one አማራጭ። Hello, I can't talk. If you can on my mic, how can I get the learning materials? At this Hailu, I hope you have joined the Phoenix platform, right? Login አድርገህ assignments or I mean module ላይ you can get the assignments that you need to do. Technical and then technical assignments it is uploaded there. So from Phoenix platform login አድርገህ you can find the challenge documents for both technical and non-technical submissions from here. At this am I clear? Okay. So I hope it is clear. So another question or another stand up, whatever it is, another comment. So notice Marago. So if it is on draft, I can't see who is reviewing. Actually, Abel, if it is not even on the draft, review ያደረገው ማን እንደሆነ ማየት አትችልም። ግን ኮሜንት ከተሰጠክ ያው ኮሜንት የሰጠ ሰው ነው ግሬድ ያደረገው የሚለው ማየት ትችላለህ። So review is ከኛ ሳይድ ለዛ ሪቪው ያደረከው ላይ ኢሹ ካለ ወይ ችግር ካለ ኮሜንት ላይ ግሬድ ስታደርግ ኮሜንት ሴክሽኑ ላይ አስቀምጥልን። Or deep አድርግልንና personally we can guide you to the person grade እያደረገልክ ያለው ሰው ስለሆነ ጋይድ እናደርጋቸዋለን። So ድራፍት ላይ ስለሆነ ብቻ ሳይሆን ባይሆንም አንድ ሪቪው እንዳደረገው ማየት አትችልም ኤክሰፕት ኮሜንት ካልሰጠክ ሪቪው የሰጠ ሰው። እሺ አቤት I'm trying, it is not easy if someone is voluntary can contact me. አዲስ ኃይሉ ስላክ አለ right? So ስላክ ላይ ጻፍልኝ። እና ደግሞ what is the hardest part? ሊንክ አለክ የቴን አካዳሚ ፕላትፎርም ሊንክ አለክ or let me just share you the link. Or anyone login የማድረግ ያው ሊንክ ካለ እዚህ ጋር ሼር ያድርግለት ነው የቴን አካዳሚ I mean 10x platform. You know, share our call. So Zigar, just put the requirements, email and password, and then email can verify or confirm mark. Then you can just log in 10x platform link. As a platform like you can check. የአሁኑንም ቻሌንጅ ዶክመንት ከዚህ በኋላ ምላሉ ቻሌንጅ ዶክመንቶች thank you both of you know now for sharing. I guess it would be easier if not can still contact our clients. ሌላ ጥያቄ? Another question? or another suggestion or another person who wants to share their stand-up? I guess so. Like stand-up, like it's week 0, so ብዙ share የምታደርጓቸው like more of question ሊሆን ይችላል or confusion, so it's understandable. For the other weeks, it would be like ጥያቄም ሊሆን ይችላል, ግን also it's a platform for you guys to talk about your progress, your challenge, and the other things. Okay, so we would expect you like ጥያቄ ሌላችሁን ሰዎች participate እንድታደርጉ expect እናደርጋለን for the other days. So now it's just week 0, so it's fine. So if there is no other person who want to, I didn't the screenshot and link to you, Desta. Thank you. Check out after this time. So I guess we can end the session here.
Okay. Sorry.
I mean, okay.
I had a question.
That's one day for the start. Yeah, if the issue is the draft one, you have written ስላልተደረገ ነው ተባብለና ሌላ issue ከሌለ then draft ላይ መሆኑ it's fine. Okay. Reading like an issue ካለ still return ከተደረገ በኋላ communicate ብናደርግ it is better. ግን እሱን ቼክ ማድረግ እችላለሁ። ግን if the issue draft ላይ መሆኑ ብቻ ከሆነ then that's not an issue return ስላልተደረገ ነው። Sorry ልደቱ for stopping you, then we'll continue. I understand ልደቱ ቀጥል።
So my question was ሁልጊዜ የዶክመንቶቹን PDF ነው የምንልከው ወይስ is it really okay የጉግል ዶኩን for everyone አድርገን ሊንኩን አፕሎድ ብናደርግ እንችላለን አይደል?
አይ PDF ነው ኤክስፔክት የምናደርገው። ሶ ቻሌንጅ ዶክመንታችሁ ላይ ሁልጊዜ PDF ፎርማት የሚላለ for your report, so PDF ፎርማት of your report ነው ሰብሚት የምታደርጉት።
እሺ thank you.
Another question? እሺ ዘላል I guess ሀብታሙ continue.
Hello.
Hello.
ይሰማል? እሺ እንትን ቻሌንጅ ዶክመንት ምንድን ነው? I didn't understand.
Okay, challenge document ማለት like ምን አሁን like week 0 I guess this ስድስተኛው ቀን ምናምን ላይ ናት። so what have you ምንድነው like ከትሬኒንጉ ምናምን what have you been doing? I'm sorry to ask.
I've been doing nothing. እስካሁን ምንም አላደረኩም። like Sunday ነበር መሰለኝ የመጨረሻውና እንትን በፐርሰናል ሪዝኖች እንትን አላደረኩም። አሁን ነው እየጀመርኩ ያለሁት ራሱ ፕሮጀክቶቹ ምናምን እና እስከ ነገ ለመጨረስ እሞክራለሁ ያስባለሁ።
Sure, yeah. So ምንድነው ሊንክ እዚህ ጋር ሼር ያደረግነው ሊንክ አለ። so challenge document ማለት so የምትሰሩት ስራ challenge ዶክመንታችሁ ላይ ኢንክሉድ የሚደረገው ማለት ነው። every week አዳዲስ ፕሮጀክት የሚሰጣችሁ ከሆነ it's in the form of challenge document. so challenge document ምን እንደምትሰሩ ምናምን ፕሮጀክቱን በዲቴል about that የያዘ ዶክመንት ነው። so የት ነው የምታገኘው? ቴን አካዳሚ ፔጃችን ላይ እዚህ ጋር ሊንክ ላይ ቴኒክስ ፕላትፎርም ላይ ጆይን አድርግና ኢሜይልህንም ኮንፊርም ካረክ በኋላ you can just be logged in. እሱ ላይ ሞጁልስ ላይ አሳይመንቶቻችሁን ኦር ቻሌንጅ ዶክመንቱን ታገኛላችሁ። ሶ ከዛ በኋላ
ሰሚት የምናደርገው
እሱን ነው የምትሰሩት። actually ያው ቻሌንጅ ዶክመንቱን ባዘዛችሁ መልኩ ነው ሰርታችሁ የሰራችሁትን ስራ ነው ሰሚት የምታደርጉት። ሶ ሰብሚሽን ላይ ፋይናል ሰብሚሽን ላይ ኢንትሪም ሰብሚሽን አለ። try to cover up the interim too. ግን for all of you like at this time interim submission መስራት ያልሰራችሁ ልጆች መስራት ከባድ የሚሆን ከሆነ then submit አድርጉ ፋይናል ሰብሚሽን። ኦኬ ሶ የቻላችሁትን ሰብሚት አድርጉ። ሶ ሀብታሙ ኢንትሪሙንም ፋይናሉንም ሰብሚት ማድረግ ዛሬ አሁን like ሌት የሚሆንበት ከሆነ just at least ፋይናል ሰብሚሽኑን ሰብሚት አድርግ since ነገ ስለሆነ ሰብሚሽኑ። ሶ ጊታብ እና ሪፖርት አለው። ቻሌንጅ ዶክመንቶቹን አንበባቸው እዛ ላይ ያሉትን if there is any confusion ዲም አድርግልን we can talk about that. ከዛ that's for challenge document
በድራይቭ የተላከልን
ኢንስትራክሽኑ ላይ አለ።
በድራይቭ የተላከልን እሱ ነው ቻሌንጅ ዶክመንት የሚባለው። እዚህ ላይ ያለው ማንዴት ነው።
አንድ አይነት ነው።
Thank you so much.
Any other person who want to go next? So እንዳለ ያልጀመራችሁ ልጆች ካላችሁ try to do it for the final submission. Okay, so አንድ መተዋችሁ ያው እንትን ያደርገው ሌላው እንዳታስገባ ያደርጋችሁ። So I guess we can end the session here. Thank you everyone for being here. Good luck with your submissions and with your work. I guess we can end the session here. Goodbye. Emilian, do you have something to say?
Yeah, no, I'm good. Just anyone maybe who we have any more challenge about the careers, they can DM me on Slack.